Hello friends, welcome back to Bosle Mac Tutorials. Today let us see some customization settings like how to add a workbench to a favorite workbench and how to select the shortcut keys for that, and also some how to add shortcut keys for some commands. So without wasting time, let us move towards the topic. And if you not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please watch up to the end. In my first video on CATIA, I explained how to design a sketch and a part, and in my second video I explained about complete sketcher commands. And now it's time to accelerate. I assure you friends, here are simple settings which differs a lot in your design time consumption. See friends, as soon as you open a CATIA, by default you will get a product workbench. You all must know this information. So I will close it. See here, in your left corner it is here is start button. These top 5 are my favorite workbenches: assembly design, part design, generative. These are my favorite design workbenches, and these are all the different domain workbenches, and in this you will get these workbenches. Now I will show you how to set these favorite workbenches. See friends, here is a tool in taskbar. Here is a tools. In that, go for customization. In this window you can see here these are the different workbenches, and these are my favorite workbenches. If I want to add this automotive class A as my favorite workbenches, just click on that and click on this arrow. See friends, now this automotive class A added as my favorite workbench. If I want to remove any workbench, if I want to remove this 2D layout for 3D design, means just click on that and click on this arrow. This workbench removed as my favorite workbenches. And now I will show how to add a shortcut keys for these workbenches. Just click on any one workbench like assembly design, and here you will get a command called accelerator. Here you just type, see here, Control Shift Alt. You can choose on your wish. I select Alt and manually type plus, as it is assembly design, I will type A and close. See friends, in start, see here assembly design. For that, Alt A is the shortcut key. Like that, I added a part design as a Alt P and generative Alt G. Like this, you can choose any workbench on your wish, and you can add any shortcut key for that. Now just I will click Alt P, so that I got this part design workbench, and enter. See friends, I entered part design workbench. Here I will show how to customize the commands. See friends, first of all I will show you one thing. See here, this is the sketcher tool. If I lost this tool, and there are many tools like this also. If I lost this tool, now where should I get this tool? So for that, just go for tools and customization, and in toolbars here you will get an option called restore all contents, okay, and restore position, okay, and close it. See friends, these sketcher tools and these operations are restored. Like this you can get your lost commands. And now I will show how to select a shortcut key for commands. Like in view commands we use hide and show. It's the most popularly used commands while designing shape designs. Now I will show how to select the shortcut key for that command only. Customize, same customization in these commands. See friends, here edit category is there. In that this much commands you will get, and in file, help, similarly you can see here in view category you can see back, bottom, front, ISO. Like this number of commands are there. Now I will go for hide and show because it's the most popularly used commands. Show properties. See friends, for this hide and show I selected KP space as my shortcut key. Where you get this means here Control Shift Alt is there. In others, here you will get this key. If you search and just click on that, add and close. Here you got KP space. KP space means this the space button is nothing but your KP space, and go for close. See friends, here this X, XY, YZ and ZX planes are hidden, so I just press my space button so that these planes are shown. If I want to hide means just select those planes and press the space button. Like this friends, you can add any shortcut key for any commands. This seems to be very simple, but this differs a very lot in your design time consumption. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like this more informative videos on CATIA V5 and any other softwares, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.